Hello everyone, Neo Rashi here. Today I'm going to review a manga that I've personally been really looking forward to get. Uh, I have no idea why it took me so long to review it, because it's been out for almost 2 months now. And it's Volume 1 of Mono. For those who don't know, Mono is created by Afro, the same guy who made Laid Back Camp, which is my favorite series of all times, as I've mentioned more than once. And so when I heard that he was making Mono, I was like, oh, that looks interesting, especially since I heard that it actually took place in Yamanashi, the same prefecture where Laid Back Camp mostly take place. So this series is about a total of 5 girls who. Sorry, my cat is making a mess again. Um, well, three girls actually. It starts with 3 girls who makes who fuse to a dying club at their high school to make a cine photo club. Basically, they take pictures and record stuff. At least that's how it starts, and then they end up becoming friends with a mangaka and a biker who are substantially older than the other 3 main characters. And in Volume 1, they basically do a tour of Yamanashi. Something that's pretty cool, but weird at the same time, is that this doesn't just take place in Yamanashi, it's actually taking place in the same universe as Laid Back Camp. There are actually um, cameos from Laid Back Camp character. Actually, uh, 3 of the character take place in a eating contest of some sort, and they actually lose to Nadeshiko and her family. Nadeshiko from Laid Back Camp, and we actually see them. I've probably said actually at least a dozen times at this point. You also see, I think you see Rin at some point. Again, it's mostly just like 1 or 2 panel cameos, but it does confirm that they do take place in the same universe, especially with the eating contesting, which they really do lose to Nadeshiko. And the weird part is that on top of the series taking place in the same universe, Laid Back Camp is actually an in series manga. It's not named Laid Back Camp in Mono, uh, but like the exact same events are mentioned in Mono, and they talk about the manga, which means that Laid Back Camp is a manga within Laid Back Camp in a weird, if we make the connection, because Laid Back Camp and Mono takes place in the same universe, but in Mono, Laid Back Camp is both something that takes place in real life and a manga that they actually read in the series. That is weird, but funny at the same time. I really like this. It's probably not, it's not as good as Laid Back Camp. Um, so far, not good enough to trump my new top 5, which now includes, which kicked new games off and now includes Is the Order Rabbit. But as of Volume 1, it's already in my top 10, and honestly, I wouldn't. I think it would probably be a solid sixth place. I'd say I'm starting to like it even better than New Game, which was my original favorite manga of all time. So this one definitely get a 10 out of 10. Not like a perfect 10 out of 10, if you can say, but like maybe like 9.8 or something like that, but round up to 10. It's really good if you like Laid Back Camp, if you like the great outdoors in general, because this is a really main theme of the series. It's definitely something you will like. As for the availabilities, it's pretty recent, so it's definitely available. Um, let's check it out. I already searched Mono. Okay, so it's on slight discount right now at 1813, sorry, instead of 1950, which is the price I paid, which is a bit expensive, but for some reason 4 comma tends to be a bit more expensive for some reason. But yeah, it's easily available. Uh, f- Easily available. Oh yeah, as I said, almost 2 months. It's almost 2 months old already. I think I read it a week before. It took a long time before I read it, but I think I read it a week or two before Christmas. Um, so yeah, definitely worth reading if you like the great outdoors in general, and especially if you like laid back M. You're definitely gonna love this one. The arts, I'm not a fan of the fact that it's a 4 comma, but you can definitely see Afro's art style. It's definitely similar, if not identical, to um, the laid back M. Sorry, I spaced out for a second. And also, you might you might have heard that an anime is coming sometime this year. I don't know if it's I don't know if the actual season has been like I don't know if it like the release date has officially been um, like released. Nah, it's on. I'm looking on Anime Planet and it still just says 2025. So it's gonna release sometime this year. Given that we're already a few weeks into winter 2025, that means it won't release until at the very least spring 2025. But I'm expecting a summer 2025 release, hopefully, because I'm really looking forward to to watch this anime. Um, Already put it on my want to watch list. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this first review of 2025. And sorry again for my voice. I'm still a bit sick. I'm recovering. I'm mostly recovered, but I'm still a bit under the weather right now. Hopefully, by my next video, which will likely be my weekly haul of this week, um, I'll be feeling much better. Hopefully, at least I hope my voice will be back if I'm not fully recovered. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.